In this video, we show the assembly of the second of our heart-shaped tealight holders. This is one in a series of tealight holders designed for our Patreon supporters. The download files for this model are available to our supporters on our Patreon page at the link shown. The model shown is cut from 1/8 inch thick red oak, and the one shown here has been finished with a coat of polyurethane. Only LED tea lights should be used in this model. Natural flame tea lights should not be used, they would cause a fire hazard. The assembly starts by attaching part number 4 to part number 5. Glue is applied to the back of part number 4. And it is aligned into the score line of part number 5. The part numbers are kept in the same orientation. Small spring clamps are used to hold the pieces until the glue dries. Part number 3 also has score lines for the alignment of the 3 parts number 6. These parts will also be held with small spring clamps. The remaining 2 parts, number 4, will now be added to the base, which was assembled earlier. The heart's tabs will be used to correctly align the parts. Again, match the orientation of the part numbers of these parts. Check the alignment by temporarily inserting the tabs into the slots. The hearts, 2 each of part numbers 1 and 2, are now added to the model. The hearts are added at the same time as the top plate of the base. Apply glue into the slots as well as the top of the plate. The 2 hearts, parts numbers 1, are inserted as shown, into the left-hand slots. The hearts, part numbers 2, are inserted into the right-hand slots, which are slightly further back. The top of the heart is held forward to make the hearts entwine. Check the alignment of the top plate. And make sure that the tabs are fully inserted. The final parts to be glued in place are the living hinge pieces, parts numbers 7. These will be held with some rubber bands until the glue dries. The model is now complete and can be treated with your choice of finish. 2 remote control LED tea light are added. This model must not be used to hold natural flame tea lights. This could create a fire hazard. The cutting files for this model are available to our Patreon supporters at the link shown.